This is them versus me, dude.
No, I think there's guys still to your left.
Nope. Oh, maybe Tom's right.
Oh!
Yeah, that's KS, man. And we got 2 guys, 1 landing on the roof.
Shed. You got the shed, Tom.
I think a squad just left in the car.
That house at 150 is a guy in it.
Okay, Tom's got an AR. He's headed that way. Tom, there's a body armor vest in the bottom of this building that I just went in.
Too late, I'm going for the skid.
Okay. Your vehicle.
Get down there, Dan, and go whoop some ass.
I am. I got guns. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on, I will. Oh.
Yeah, this guy with the UMP, that 2-story house, that one guy jumped off the roof, he went in it, and then the small house next to it, the guy who killed me went in that. All I had was a fucking pistol. Those 2 houses in front of you, Dan? They're in those 2, to your left. The 2-story.
He's down.
There's 2 though, huh?
Tom underneath you?
He went in, yeah, he went inside. Tom?
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
He's upstairs, 2nd floor.
Ah. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me instead.
No, I'm sorry. I thought you were already dead, dude. I'm sorry.
It's all good. So they know we're here.
Yeah, they know we're here. I don't have any fucking good loot.
There's a guy next to me.
Oh man.